All right, this is just a simple little video to show you how to update the authorized.net payment profile information and then activate and deactivate and rearrange how they get displayed on the back end. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come over here, you want to come over to WooCommerce, you want to click on settings, then you want to click on payments, and then here's your payment gateway. So right now you have Square, it's active, you have PayPal, it's active, and then you have authorized.net installed down here, which is not currently active. So we're going to go ahead and go to setup. This is where you're going to enter the information from your bank. This is what it's going to show on the checkout screen. It's going to be a charge. You want to leave it just the way it is. Pretty much all you're going to do is come down here to login and API transaction, and you're going to put in the two keys that you're going to get provided from them. So once you have that information entered, then you can hit save changes and it'll reload this page. You can click this icon here to go back, and it'll have everything updated here, and it'll say manage over here once you turn it on. So now that you've got it, the keys added, you can click this icon here to enable it. So once it's enabled, it'll turn purple, and then you can come up here and click this icon here to disable Square, and then this hamburger button here, if you take and you drag it up to the top, that'll sort how the display is going to be on the back. It's going to give the credit card information first and then PayPal second, and if you want, you can move this out of the way. And the final step is to make sure that you click save your changes, so that'll set all of this in stone and make it good to go. But that's all there is to it, and that should get everything up and running and activated for you.